Hey guys, this is Jinba here, and today I'm going to show you how I draw my melodies for house and pop music. If you're ever stuck writing a melody or a catchy riff, this is a good technique to get you started. It's very easy, and you could start by writing something generic, and then I'm going to show you a few techniques on how to make it complex. So it's a really good starting point to drawing new kinds of melodies if you're ever stuck, or just by using a few of these techniques you can get a melody that's really good. And that can get you to start finishing up your tracks. So let's get started. Alright, so right here I have a very generic house loop. I built it myself with a few samples and it's at 122 BPM. I'll get a copy of the project file and you guys can download it later in the description. But as of now, it's very generic and this is what it sounds like. Alright, so let's start this off by writing the actual bass line for it. I'm in the key of F minor. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty generic. I basically stayed on within the keys of the actual note, so of the actual scale, and made like a really bouncy bass line. So it sounds okay for now, but it just sounds boring. So I'm going to show you a technique on how to spice it up. So the neat thing about Ableton is that you can highlight all the notes. And then what makes it that bouncy feel is the notes actually jumping up and down on octaves. So what I'm going to do is hold Control and then click on the actual note, and it's going to highlight all my notes. Okay? So now what you want to do is put it a note ahead of it, and then with all the notes selected, I'm going to shift all the melodies down, the copied melodies down. And how I'll do that is hit Shift and down. So now I have notes that are above and below the octave. So let's hear what it sounds like. So we kind of get the idea of where this is going, but all the notes are kind of clashing together. So let's edit this a bit and we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, so this is the final rendition. So as you can see, it's the same notes but played down an octave to give it that bouncy feel. So I'm going to play through it and then I'll let you guys check it out. So yeah, as you can see, I can then edit it further from here. That note I didn't really like, so I'm just going to delete it. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So if you're ever confused or stuck on melodies, just try this technique. So to recap, copy all the melodies, hold down Control, and then click on the actual notes, and then just move it out again, okay? And then move it down, or even try doing it up an octave too. Let's just play around and see what that sounds like. But yeah, you can get some pretty cool ideas flowing from that. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to be making more tutorial videos, and I would love for you guys to give me feedback and check it out in the future. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Again, I'll have the project file ready to download so that you guys can dissect it and check it out. But I would love to hear if you guys use this technique to create your own sounds. Please post it in the comments and maybe post a video or send it over to me and let me know how it goes. Alright, but have a great day and I will see you soon.